Classification of hazardous. There are 9 classes of hazardous materials, as defined by the United Nations and the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO. This video created by Imran Qureshi. Please like, subscribe and share this video. There are following classes are: Class 1, Explosives. Class 2, Gases. Class 3, Flammable Liquids. Class 4, Flammable Solids. Class 5, Oxidizers and Organic Peroxides. Class 6, Toxic and Infectious Substances. Class 7, Radioactive Materials. Class 8, Corrosives. Class 9, Miscellaneous. Each class is further subdivided into divisions, which provide more specific information about the hazard posed by the material. For example, Class 1 is subdivided into 6 divisions, ranging from explosives with a low hazard, Division 1.4, to explosives with a high hazard, Division 1.6. The classification of hazardous materials is important for a number of reasons. It helps to ensure that these materials are handled and transported safely. It also helps to protect people who may be exposed to these materials, either during transportation or in the workplace. Here is a brief overview of each of the 9 classes of hazardous materials. Class 1, Explosives. Explosives are materials that can undergo a sudden, rapid chemical reaction that produces a large amount of energy in the form of heat, pressure, and gas. This reaction can be initiated by heat, shock, friction, or a spark. Explosives are classified into 6 divisions based on their hazard and sensitivity. Class 2, Gases. Gases are classified as hazardous materials if they are flammable, compressed, or liquefied under pressure. Flammable gases can ignite and burn easily. Compressed gases can be released suddenly and forcefully, causing injury or death. Liquefied gases can vaporize and form a flammable or explosive mixture with air. Class 3, Flammable Liquids. Flammable liquids are liquids that can easily ignite and burn. They are classified according to their flash point, which is the temperature at which they will ignite when exposed to a spark or flame. Class 4, Flammable Solids. Flammable solids are solids that can easily ignite and burn. They are classified according to their flammability and combustibility. Class 5, Oxidizers and Organic Peroxides. Oxidizers are substances that can cause the combustion of other materials. Organic peroxides are unstable compounds that can decompose and release oxygen, which can cause fires or explosions. Class 6, Toxic and Infectious Substances. Toxic substances are materials that can cause harm to human health if they are ingested, inhaled, or absorbed through the skin. Infectious substances are materials that contain pathogens, which are microorganisms that can cause disease. Class 7, Radioactive Materials. Radioactive materials are materials that emit radiation. Radiation can be harmful to human health, so it is important to handle radioactive materials with care. Class 8, Corrosives. Corrosives are substances that can cause damage to living tissue or metal. They are classified according to their pH, which is a measure of how acidic or alkaline a substance is. Class 9, Miscellaneous. The Class 9 category includes hazardous materials that do not fit into any of the other 8 classes. This category includes materials such as compressed gases, cryogenic fluids,